Hey there, it's Chelsea Rikard at A Business Law Firm. One thing that we do with our businesses is we have to engage in asset protection. And what that means is we want to look at your business and see, is it in a high risk industry? Is it have a high likelihood of getting sued? And how do we make sure that we're protecting the assets inside of that business? And one of the ways that we go about doing that is we create multiple businesses, and each business has its own function. One of the questions that we receive is, should I have multiple businesses if they each serve a separate purpose? And one of the things that we look to when we're answering that question is, how high risk is the industry in which you're working? What types of purposes specifically are your businesses going to do? Are you going to have something that's doing flipping houses and then maybe you also own a restaurant? If you have businesses that have completely unrelated purposes, then yes, it may make sense to have separate businesses. And if you have a business that is in a very high risk industry, then yes, you may need to have a separate businesses that holds the assets or the real estate. So there's a lot of different circumstances that can cause one person to have separate businesses to achieve different purposes or different goals. And if you're trying to determine whether or not you need to make that kind of structure, feel free to reach out to us at A Business Law Firm.